Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Oh my God, yes! Oh my God! That's getting uploaded. Oh, what an idiot. 我操，脑子坏掉了。
Hey, God damn it! Hey, Gorman, save video. Hey, Gorman.
They just have so much more tenacity. They're so angry.
Continue for 4 kilometers.
Yeah, they're just so full of.
Are you
serious?
serious?
They just want to play and they just want to kiss you and it's like they're so full of life.
Yeah, hug you to your dad.
Oh, they want to. When I
What
would
the
come.
was that?
Well, hey, dial 1-800-266-5677.
Got a broke clip, rollies, but don't tick tock. All the Mars niggas losing time. Hit it behind the door, keep it rock. So hard, I'm shot too. I'm be locked up too. You escape, I escape. You in practice, get messed up too. Diabetes for like 6 days. Gold bodies, so.
Well, let me say this. Let me give a little explanation that we try to give each show for new listeners. Each week in our program, we document stories of life in these United States using all the tools of radio storytelling, documents, anything we can think of. And today, for Father's Day, my co-host will be my 1-year-old, certified
Way to go. Okay, Garmin, save video.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.